Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view TikTok videos without account. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my TikTok application on my mobile phone. And as you can see guys, I haven't logged into my TikTok. Actually, I have logged into my TikTok, but I have logged out from it. And I'm going to show you how you can view TikTok videos without account. If you want to view videos without account, actually we just need to go to the home section right here and we'll be able to watch a lot of videos from TikTok. We just need to scroll our screen like this. And basically there is no difference between watching TikTok videos with account or without account. It's the same, but if you haven't logged into TikTok, the TikTok application will keep suggesting you to log into TikTok like this. You will get this kind of notification, and TikTok will suggest you to log into TikTok with your Facebook, Google, Line, Twitter, or maybe Instagram. It's up to you. But you can still watch a lot of videos without account or without login to TikTok like this. Alright guys, and that's how you can view TikTok videos without account. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.